I asked you multiple times, but you kept turning me down. Although BTS's Suga is currently fulfilling his mandatory military service, he thoughtfully prepared content before his enlistment for armies to enjoy while he's away. The latest content released was a new episode of his popular talk show Suga, which reunited him with his special guest and fellow BTS member Jungkook. Suga noted that although the group's maknae had a very busy schedule, he still agreed to perform at Suga's first of 3 final Seoul shows on his Suga August D-Day World Tour. Jungkook joined Suga to perform Burn It Feet. Max and the two lit up the stage with their natural talent and stage presence, delighting fans with their reunion as the group is currently focusing on their solo activities. Although Jungkook was able to join Suga on stage successfully, the older BTS member hilariously pointed out that the BTS maknae had turned down his invite to perform with him multiple times. Suga was curious why Jungkook suddenly changed his mind. Jungkook revealed that there were 2 reasons why he ultimately decided to join Suga on stage. He shared that he accepted the invite in order to show support for Suga, but it was also because he wanted to see the group's precious armies. During his solo tour, Suga was also joined on stage by Jimin and leader Suga revealed the reason he wanted to be on stage with his fellow members was because it had been so long since they had put on a concert. Suga and Jungkook added that the incomparable feeling of being surrounded by the cheers of armies still gives them chills. Suga admitted he wanted that feeling again. In the end, Suga was able to share the on-stage experience with 3 of his fellow members, and each BTS member made the effort to attend his solo concert despite their busy schedules, showing how much the members care for each other. ARMYs will be able to see more activities from the BTS members soon. Check out more on that in the article below.